Welcome you all to this question and answer session. Today we are going to discuss few questions. Question number 1: what is the standard guidelines to sell points? Question number 2: what are the sites from which you can earn money by earning points? Question number 3: how can you sell points? This audio and question and answer session is only for the international users, and for the Bangladeshi users or Bangladeshi national, and separate video will be uploaded at the question and answer session page. So thank you all, and welcoming you all to hear this audio so that you can answer the questions correctly to earn points and to earn money. So we are coming back to the question number 1: what is the standard guideline to sell points? The standard guidelines to sell points here in massbd.net is to sell your points to massbd.net and to convert your points to massbd.net while you are achieving 10,000 or 10k points, like 10k follow pass points, or 10k like for like points, or 10k admin pass points, and similar. So this is the standard guideline, but if you want to sell later, then it's okay, but we suggest to sell points while you are going to achieve 10k points, because the international markets is so flexible and volatile, and sometimes we have noticed few problems of disappearing points from the other site, and the cause is not unknown. The cause is completely unknown to us, and we cannot explain to our users. So we will suggest you to sell your points when you are achieving 10k points, or when you have achieved 10k points from other points. So please be careful regarding these issues, and in the meantime we have noticed so many cases and we could not solve, and ultimately we have advised our users to sell points immediately or to convert points immediately to massbd.net points. So we are going to the next questions: what are the sites from which you can earn money by earning points? There are so many points earning site, or there are so many sites by which anyone can earn money internationally and can transfer the pound to his own account and can convert the points to massbd.net points, to convert it to achieve or to get different services from the massbd.net. So this is most important, that you are earning points from the another sites, and all the sites that are legit have been attached with the massbd.net job page. So you will be able to find out those sites which are applicable for you as per the user level at your job page. In case of job page statics, there are some issues related to job page. When you are comparing your job page to others, there may be some discriminations or differences between the two job pages. Normally massbd.net allows you to provide the same job page under the same user level, but with the respect to the variations of the user levels, the job page may be different. Now question number 3: how can you sell points? This is very easy. Just go to the marketplace of the massbd.net and study there how you will be able to sell points. The detailed descriptions of selling points and to use the marketplace has been mentioned there. The rules and regulations of the massbd.net have been have been well explained there. So I hope that it will be helpful for you to understand how you will sell points, how you will earn money, and how you will convert your points, and how you will use the marketplace statics. And there are two more important points here to be memorized while you are going to use the marketplace for earning money. The marketplace is applicable for all the users all the users from the different countries of the world, and as well as the Bangladesh users and the international users both can use the marketplace from anywhere of the world. The marketplace can be used as the affiliate marketing place for the users. The users can use this these virtual products to sell and to earn money. While suppose that you are living at the United States, and you can sell your products from the United States to Bangladesh and to earn money, because this is the virtual products and you can earn money from anywhere. But the thing is that you have to understand the natures and the statics and the procedures and the implementation process of the marketplace. The marketplace is a very renowned and very consequence place of the Mossberry.net. By using this marketplace, you can earn a lot of money each and every time. But you have to know the procedures, and for doing so, you are requested to take part into the training programs, including the welcome training. The people who did not receive welcome training are advised to write to the Mossberry.net to have your welcome training. Normally Mossberry.net will not provide you the welcome training, because they understand that you already know the basics of the Mossberry.net as you have started well. If you have any problem to understand the informations and the process and the way of implementation, the rules and regulations and the domestic regulations and the international regulations of the use of the site, then you can write to Mossberry.net to earn money, and it will help you to save your earnings and to save your ID. You should remember that the ID, once your ID is blocked, or once your ID is banned for any violations of the rules and regulations or guidelines of the Mossberry.net, your ID will permanently banned and will be locked, and you will never be able to use this site anymore. So be careful regarding these issues, and do not make the same mistakes again and again. If you make mistakes, and once the site will announce you, the site will provide you a complete notice to avoid that types of mistake. But if you do that again and again, it will block your site ultimately, so you will not be able to log in. Thank you so much from this part.